What's up, everybody? This is Tim. No garage sales or thrift stores today. Actually, for the last couple days, I've been buying stuff off of Facebook Marketplace. I spent the last 2 days $370. Um, got a few things from a few places. Let me show you what I got. All right, the first thing I got was these things. I got 5 of them. There's 4 in there and 1 here. Kind of heavy. They are D-Tex ECL 230D. They are emergency door exit alarms, and they're all brand new. Actually, one of them I seen after I'd bought it. I noticed when I got home that this part had been open and the screws were open, and I haven't really looked at much else of it. This part of it's still new, so I'll probably still sell it, but 4 out of the 5 are still brand new in the box. The guy had them listed for $200. I think I offered him $125 to begin with, and he came down to $150, and I went for it from there. These things sell, it seems like they sell for about $150 to $200 a piece. So I sell one of those, I'll have my money back, and I've got 5 of those. Alright, so the next thing I got is this Casio cash register. It's a T2300. The box is a little worn from being stored. It is open, but has never been taken out of the box. Everything's all in here still brand new, still sealed and wrapped in plastic. So, yeah, never been used. I got it from a lady. She had it on Facebook Marketplace for $150. I offered her $100 for it, and she took it. These seem to resell for around new. Well, this will be new open box, but they seem to resell for about $300. So it's a couple $100 profit if I can get it sold. I'll probably put it on there for around there. Maybe best offer. I might take a little off because of the wear on the box, but not too bad. So that's that and the locks. That was yesterday. That was $250 together. 2 different people, but yeah, not too bad. And then I'll get to today's stuff. All right, to start with today's stuff, I found this shelf right here. You can see it. It's got rollers. I still got it somewhat tied in with the back of the truck. This was on Marketplace for $20. It's pretty good size. It's a nice sturdy shelf. I figured that was probably a pretty good deal. So I told the lady I wanted it, and she had some electronic stuff sitting on it. So I asked her about those. She said that she was selling that stuff, but she just hadn't put it on Facebook yet. And I told her I wanted to come look at that stuff too. And she said, well, when you come, I got some more shelves, which are this one. It's a metal shelf. It's sideways right now in the middle, if you can really see that. And then this other one, which is missing 2 of the rubber feet, but that's not that big of a deal. And it's sideways also. It's long. This is just my truck cover in the back. These were $20 a piece, so I spent $60 on these shelves. I figured for the price, that's not bad. I need more storage shelves, and these will work just fine. They're not too tall for my shed, so they'll fit right in there. And then also I got to looking at her electronics, and I bought all this stuff. And let me take it all out and I'll show you everything I got. Alright, this is the electronics I bought from that lady. This stuff had belonged to her husband, and he had died a little bit ago of a heart attack. It collected some dust in her garage and shed area, but she just needed to get rid of it. She sold me the entire lot you see here, except for the cart. I'd bought the cart some other time, but this was all $60 for everything here. Let's start with this one. Just a little Samsung LED HD monitor, HD TV monitor, which is pretty much a TV monitor. SyncMaster T24B350. It does have spots for HDMI cables and a PCN and all that stuff. It was missing the power cord, but it's pretty simple power cord. I find those all the time. So, and she promised me that it worked. She said if this doesn't work, I could bring it back. The rest of the stuff though, she had no clue. Originally wanted to sell it all $10 a piece for most of the stuff, but I just asked her. I made her a deal for all of it, all this and the shelves. The shelves were 60, and then all this was 60. So I gave her 120 for this and all the shelves. There's 4 of these. These all look like they're probably in pretty rough shape. I don't really know a lot about these. These like voltage meters. It's a EICO 1078. I don't know if these are worth anything. It's a 1064S, another 1064S, and another 1078. So yeah, they're all like, this one's got a busted thing here. This one's missing a knob. This one's missing a knob. Glass is out. That glass is half gone. But I just threw it all into the bundle. I figured I'd learn something about them. This is Leader LDC 82823S digital counter. Don't know what this is either. Really dusty. Like, all this stuff is really dusty. It's sat there for a little while. Don't know if it works yet. Yeah, so the buttons are all dusty, and they all push in and out real easily. So yeah, looks like it might have a shot. I don't know. And then this was in there for that stuff. BK Precision 1045 telephone product tester. I think it's just for testing telephones. I don't really know. I've never seen one before, so yeah. And I was loading this stuff up, and she threw this in there, so take this too. Electrotherm digital thermometer, SH66. I mean, it looks used. It's a little dusty, but I'll see if it's worth anything. Oh, next, another Leader. Stuff's really dirty. LFM 39 WOW or WOW and fluffer meter. I don't know. I have no idea what this really is. Now, this was in there too. It just went to something. So yeah. I mean, I'll clean all these up and see if they look like they're worth doing anything with. Another multimeter. This is a Simpson. I don't see a part number unless I'm just missing. Oh, model number 464 series 2. I mean, you can just see all the dust on this thing. It's been sitting there a while. And then these two things. So oscilloscope. This is another BK Precision 1570A. They're both the same. Both the same. I guess same model. That's what I mean. But they're really dirty too. I mean, dust is caked on these things. She did say her husband repaired this kind of stuff before, so there's a little hope for him. Maybe he wasn't just collecting them to collect dust, but this one does have a pretty good dent right here on the top and a dent on the side. So I don't know. I guess we'll see about that. I guess it's fitting that these oscilloscopes are sitting on my oscilloscope cart, which I don't use for that. But anyway, that's a Tektronix cart anyway. Yeah, so that was everything. All these for 60, shells for 60. Cash register sitting on the back of this old truck, that was 100, and then the door locks were 150, so 370 total. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot out here still. That's it. That's easy way to spend $370. I'll definitely make it back, hopefully quickly. We'll see. I don't know how often those door lock things sell, but those are going to be good profit. The register will be good profit. The electronic stuff, we'll see. I needed the shelves, so had to buy them. Good price for them. And that is everything. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Thanks.